You just got your first job right out of high school. You're wondering how much you should invest to be financially free when you retire. I'm gonna go over how much you can invest to be financially free at 3 different numbers, both 10, 30, and 60% of your money invested every single year for the next 45 years right out of high school. Let's get into it, you guys. If you guys are new here, my name is Colton Merrill. I'm 22 years old, living in San Francisco right now. Currently, I'm working at a coin shop. I am the head of live stream sales there. We talk a lot about, live streaming, about sales, about investing, about how to learn about all this stuff. If you have any questions, comment down below. Let's get into this video, you guys. So, you want to invest your money, but you don't know how much you should invest to be financially free at 65 when you finally decide to retire. So, a few parameters here. We're going to set the parameters that you are starting investing at age 20 and retiring at age 65. Okay, age 65, age 20, very important. You're making the average salary in America, which is $69,000 per year. Maybe a little bit higher than you make, maybe a little bit lower than you make, but that is the national average. So I think it's a pretty fair number to use for everybody, right? So obviously you can kind of do the math, around there if you are making a different number, higher or lower. So let's get into it. The first number we're gonna go over, you guys, is investing 10% of your money. We're also gonna be using a 7% average gain. So every single year, on average, you'll gain 7%. Some years maybe 10, some years maybe 0. But on average, we'll use a 7%, which is the national average for the S&P 500 over the last 45 years. So we'll use that. So the very, very first number, you guys, okay? We're using $69,000, right? If we multiply that by 10%, that gets 10% investing per year. So you'd want to invest about $7,000 a year. Divide that by 12 months and it'd be $575 per month, right? So let's get into how much that would be investing for 45 years, every month $575. So your initial investment, $575 first month. Every month after that, every month after that, $575 as well. For 45 years, right, let's type in 45 years, with a 7% average interest rate, how much would you have after 45 years of investing 10% of your average income? Let's say no raises, nothing. You stay at $69,000 for the next 45 years, which, odds are you're gonna do well for yourself, right? So let's see what it would be. Holy moly. It would be, oh my gosh. It would be a whopping $1.9 million with that's what it grew to. Your only contributions would be, let's zoom in on that, $311,000 over 45 years? I'm just saying, to invest $300,000 over 45 years, only spending 10% of my paycheck to get almost $2 million by the time I retire, that'd be pretty nice, right? Now, just wait until you guys hear what 30 and 60% become. Alrighty. So $69,000 times 30% would be $20,700, almost $21,000. Okay, we'll divide that by 12 to get what you'd invest every month. It would be $1,700. That's pretty big. That's a little bit, more of a jump, right? So let's change this initial investment to $1,725. The monthly contributions to $1,725, 45 years is the same, 7% interest is the same, and we're gonna do compounding annually just to make it simpler so they're all the same. Let's calculate this one. Oh my, guys. Obviously this is tripling the amount of investment, but the number triples as well, so that's very, very cool. Oh my goodness, $5.9 million by the time you retire. With how much did you actually invest? $1 million, $933,000 over 45 years, investing 30% of your paycheck to get $6 million, give or take, by the time you retire. I feel like that's a pretty good looking number. Why? What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below. Now, let's do the big one. 60% of your gross income invested over 45 years. What does that number become? I think you guys are gonna be a little excited about this one. So we do the same math, 69,000 times 60% would be $41,000. Obviously that's a lot of money and most people can't do this, but we're doing it for fun. So divide 41,000 divided by 12 is $3,450 a month, right? Let's go back over here. Let's make our initial investment $3,450, and the monthly contributions $3,450 as well. 45 years stays the same, 7% stays the same, and let's compound it. Here we go. What does this number be? Put your guesses in the comments below. I mean, guys, if I had $12 million by the time I was 65, I'd be one happy man. Let's just say that. I mean, oh my goodness. What did you guys think it was going to be? That's pretty high. Let's see how much you would actually have to invest. Oh, $1.8 million. Just with the compound growth. You see, it really takes off around year 30. Turns into almost $12 million for you to have at retirement to do whatever you wish. Well, you know what? I'm going to do something really quick that's not really a part of the video. Let's add 5 more years. Let's say you have to work a little bit harder. You retire at age 70, not 65. Or you started earlier. Let's say you started at age 16 instead of age 20. We're going to add 5 years just to see what the number does. So instead of 12 million, it becomes $67 million. Guys, that is compound interest really working for you there. Those extra 5 years took what the first 50 years did and multiplied it by 5, almost $70 million. Let's say we added another 5 years. Let's just say 75 years. You know what? You invest from age 1 to 75. Obviously, not many people can do that. And obviously, this is investing a lot of money per year. But let's just do it for fun, right? You always want to see the cool numbers. Oh my gosh, 5 more years turns into $95 million. That's almost $100 million. Oh my gosh. I mean, that's insane. What did you guys think the number was going to be? Is that a little bit higher or lower than you guys thought? I mean, stop recording. That's very, very cool. Obviously, you know, investing 60% of your money, making the national average, and investing for 75 years with a national average gain, those are, you know, everything's got to kind of come in perfectly on that, but it's still very cool to kind of see. Let me know down in the comments what you invest and what your goal is by the time you retire, if you're comfortable, obviously. Let me know down below what your goal is. I want to see who is the most ambitious. I mean, right? Let's see. Let's see, you guys. Make sure you guys check out our shorts. We're posting shorts every single day. We're posting long form every single week. I love you guys. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.